Okay, the garage sale was this morning, and there are a lot of happy kids out there. There's a child who has my daughter's old scooter, and one who has her old trike, and one who has her old rocking horse, and there are people out there that have clothes and all kinds of toys and fun things that they're going to enjoy that were just sitting in our garage. And I'm happy because what we're looking at here is empty garage floor. There are bikes all spread out. And boy, I emptied out a lot of stuff. It really helped to use somebody else's event as a deadline. I have some things to deal with for sure here still. I still need to get rid of the crib and the stroller. I didn't get everything in my car over there, but I sure got rid of a lot, and I'm very happy. The other upside was at 3:30 this morning when I was still up, I got to see a beautiful moon setting over the hills. And that was really nice too, but mostly it's really nice to get rid of a bunch of junk. So, hooray for using someone else's event as a deadline.